Bowser Jr. from Mario Galaxy. Watched the movie, thought it was awesome. I love the Mario movies. I think they're very good. They're just well done. Just solid movies. So let's draw this little guy. I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. So, let's go. Let's go with his angry eyebrows. So curves. This way. They're kind of hairy at the top, so you can add little spikes every now and then if you want. And then just bring it down. This is just his base form, it's not Mario Wonder, Bowser Jr. Wonder or anything. And then we'll go over and do the other one. His eyes are kind of far apart as well. Like little sort of texture lines just on his eyebrow as well. Right, and then his round eyes. And then black pupil. Do the same here. And then a black pupil just in under his eyebrow. We'll try and keep the pupils the same size. So then he has a big nose, so it curves. It's like a snout, really. Little lines inside there. And then his nostril. And then he has this line, this green line, just coming around underneath the eyes. And then this joins his head. And the head then comes around this way. Right, so he's got big cheeks sticking out here. And this comes down then for his chin. And then he's got that toothy grin with one tooth. So it starts like here, ends up here. And then we'll just curve this around. Right, and then one tooth. And he's got some scales, so you could do some of these circles just dotted around if you wanted on the green parts. So we have like two spikes just sticking outside of his head. And then this thing sticking up top of his head that holds his hair. So it kind of goes out the back, but there's a bit that sticks up here in the middle. bits that go around the back then. Okay, right, so he's got that bib on, so that long white bib just coming down here, curves around. He's got like lips and gnarly teeth and stuff, so, and this is kind of like painted on, it looks like. It comes around again like that. And then there's like the inside section, and it's all rough, so you know, you don't have to be perfect with your lines here now or anything. And then those big sharp teeth. Like these black lines are a bit like scratchy, kind of. Right, so he's holding that paintbrush thing out the side. So we'll bring one arm out here. And he's got like a line up that way. And then this arm just comes down here. And we go across. And this curves that way. For his fingers, just kind of curved up. Right, so then his back comes down here, and then his belly comes down there. And this has like, this goes down to his tail at some point down here as well. Comes around his legs. So his big leg comes out here. And then the other leg goes out this way. Before we add the toes, we'll just do this sort of shell, this shell that's on his belly. And then we'll add these toes or claws. There, and then here. Just 3 of them. And then just put like the skin parts on them. Shell, we can see a bit of his shell on the back, curving that way. And then some spikes. And then there's like little parts to the spikes as well. And as well, if you want like more sort of scales just on his back, or, you know, on his legs even, if you wanted it. Like that. Right, so then his staff, or paintbrush, he's an artist, this lad, just like us. So let's go this way with his thumb first. And then 3 fingers, 2, 3. And then this goes this way. And then this comes there, and then it goes down. Kind of gets a bit thinner at the bottom. And then like the palm of his hand just comes in here. So then there's all metal bits and stuff on top of this. So there's like a little bump here. Comes up and out to another little bump. And then we go to this spiky thing. And this has a circle inside of it. And then there's another silver part, like a chalice or something. It holds the brush on, like the bristles of the paintbrush. It has that purple paint on it, so we'll go up a little bit. And then we'll do these blobs of paint just bumping around, kind of like ice cream melting down onto it. Ice cream. Love a bit of ice cream. And then we go around. And it kind of like flicks up there and then back. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how to draw Bowser Jr. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.